A titration is a method of analysis that allows you to determine the exact precise endpoint of reaction so you can quickly quantify the amount of reactant in a titration flask. A burette is used to deliver the second reactant to the flask, and then a pH meter is there used to detect the endpoint of the reaction.
Okay, so today we're going to do titration. First, we've already primed our burette, and just to recap, priming is when you kind of clean your utensils out. So what we did is we swirled around some water in the solution about 3 times, and then we kind of drained it through the tip so we can make sure the tip is clean. That way we don't have any residues from any other solutions. Okay, first we're going to check our initial volume so we can make sure we know our initial point and our final point, or final volume and initial volume. So we're going to drop it down to eye level because I'm short. Alright, and so checking here at the bottom of the meniscus, it's about 0.2. Alright, so we'll write that down. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to take this and we get our KHP solution, which that's our acid, and then the NaOH is our base, which is inside the burette. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this in here, we're going to get the tip in there, and then we're going to rotate this, and we're going to open up the valve and slowly let this kind of drip in. And what we're looking for is the solution to turn into this nice light pink color and kind of stay a light pink. So what we're going to do is, as we're doing that, we're going to swirl this so it doesn't just kind of concentrate right there and then just have like this one pink spot. So we're starting to get to that point where it's starting to hold that light pink color. So we're going to watch it for a second. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now we've got that nice light pink color. So we're hitting our endpoint. Alright, and so now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to check our final volume, which is, I'm up here, which is 27.2, so I'm going to write that down.
So this is our second trial, and this titration will begin from 0.1 milliliters, and we'll begin the titration now. After titration, it turns out that our final volume used was 19.7 milliliters, and from the 0.1 from before, that means it took 19.6 milliliters to titrate.
See here that our initial volume is 0.1, so then we'll begin to titrate and add the NaOH to our KPH phenolphthalein water solution, and then we'll begin to mix. And we'll keep adding liquid until we get our pH indicator, which is a light pink color. And as you can see, it's a slow process. Alright, so after titrating and mixing, we determined that our final volume is 28.1. And here are our final values after titration.